What's up, guys? Melanie Winston here, and if you're watching this video, you're probably in Motor Club of America and you're having issues getting traffic to your offer, right? I just decided to shoot this video off the whim because I literally just was sitting here on the highway stuck in traffic, and I thought about it. A lot of MCA reps who are struggling to get sales in their business, who are struggling to get leads in their business, they think that there's a traffic problem. They think that there's a shortage of people. They think that MCA is oversaturated. If that's you, you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving away the free marketing system that I use to promote Motor Club of America, that brings me leads on autopilot, right? Leads is the lifeline of your business. Traffic is the lifeline of your business. If you don't have any traffic, or if you don't have new leads coming to see your Motor Club of America business or your presentation, then you don't have a business. You're not in business, right? You may find yourself reaching out to the same people, family members, friends, your cousin John. Cousin John is not going to join you in Motor Club of America because Cousin John thinks that you don't have any business background, right? You don't know anything about business. So Cousin John's not going to join with you right now. Cousin John may join later once you get your traffic flowing, but right now, Cousin John's not going to join with you. If you're sick and tired of basically hounding your family members and friends, then you're definitely going to want to be a part of a system, have a system that's going to work for you, that you're not going to have to beg family or friends. Because I can remember when I first started Motor Club of America, I was super duper excited about my business, right? And I just knew everybody was going to join it. Everyone was going to need the roadside assistance. Everyone was going to want to make money from home. But unfortunately, that's not reality. It doesn't work that way. So I found myself begging my friends, begging my family, no success. Started plugging into this free system that I'm going to be giving you access to today at the end of this video. And I was able to start generating some leads, generating some sales, generating some income, and really making this thing happen. So listen, if that's you, if you're struggling, if you're tired of begging your family and friends, hopping in everybody's inbox on Facebook, coming across as a scammer, click the link in the description below so that you can set up your free MCA marketing system, right? It's completely free, guys. And within the system, it'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step. It'll also give you instructions and training and directions on exactly how you can drive unlimited traffic to your free MCA marketing system, right? And within that system, it's going to present MCA for you. It's going to follow up with your prospects for you. It's going to do all the work for you. Your main job is going to be to get your leads into this freaking system. And the system is going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to do that. So again, click the link in the description below now. If you haven't already joined Motor Club of America, click the link below. If you have already joined the Motor Club of America, click the link below and get your free marketing system. If you haven't joined Motor Club of America, you're going to have to pay for your Motor Club of America membership. But if you have already paid, you're not going to have to repay. Click the link below, get your free MCA system set up so that you can start getting unlimited leads going directly into your system, and that system start working for you so you can start taking part of these $80 to $90 per sale directly deposited into your bank account every single Friday. Guys, remember, traffic is not the issue. Traffic is not an issue at all. There are thousands of people all across the United States and in Canada getting sales every single day with Motor Club of America. Traffic is not the issue. Click the link in the description below to get the answer to the question that you've been looking for. I look forward to hearing about your success with Motor Club of America and this free marketing system that you're going to be getting access to today. If you haven't already, take the time to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below, let me know what you got from this, and most importantly, share this out, right? Share this with your family, share this with your friends. It'll help me get the message out, and it'll help other struggling Motor Club of America reps make money. Remember, click the link in the description to get started. Peace.